This video will show you how to share your development record with the appropriate people. To navigate to your record, click on the tiles in the top right hand corner and click Sites. If you've not yet created your record, please watch the previous video on the guidance leaflet. And you can scroll down on the main panel until you find your development record. Okay, what we then need you to do is click on the top right hand corner and share. At present, when you hover over share, you're able to see that at the moment your development record can be found and accessed by anybody with the Reading College Google account. Now that obviously isn't what you'd want from your development record. So if you click change next to that and change it instead to specific people and then click save. This means that your site is now private to you until you share it with specific people. Now there are specific people that we would like you to share your development record with. That would be whoever line manages you. So as a member of the teaching staff, it would be your pathways manager and also your curriculum manager. And for business support staff, it's just whoever line manages you directly. So you would type in their name here and they will start to appear. So for instance, if I'm searching for Bridget James in A-levels, I'm going to share it with her i.reading account. So you need to share it with their Google account in order that they're able to edit the site alongside you. If you watch the later videos and read the later guidance, you'll be able to see why this is necessary. So once you've added your manager, you would then click send at the bottom. What we'd also need you to do is share it with the following address. So CPD, if you start typing that in, it then links to @i.readingcollege.ac.uk. This is so that CPD can track sort of the CPD that's taking place across the college. But it's also really for technical support. Should you need any, we're able to go into your record and mend anything if anything's gone wrong or you're struggling with anything on the site. What it also means is that when we've had whole college CPD days, or larger events, it means that we can go into the record of individuals and update your attendance accordingly. So it cuts down a little bit of the workload for you in recording certain CPD activities. So we need you to share it with your direct line manager and the CPD @i.readingcollege.ac.uk address, and those are the two. If you do want to share it with anybody else, that's totally up to you. As a new starter at the college, you may wish to share it with your mentor so that you can look at your professional development and targets together. You may wish to share it with a colleague if you're working on a project together perhaps, and you'd like to kind of share one another's reflections and view how the other person is finding the process. It's totally up to you who you share it with at this point, but we are advising that you do change it from sharing it with the whole of Reading College to private and then selecting the individuals that you'd like to share it with. So once you have typed in your line manager and the CPD address, you then click send at the bottom and it will notify those people that you've shared the record.